Let us understand the concept of matrix. It is rectangular array of the number arranged in rows and columns. Matrix is usually denoted by capital letters such as A, B, C, and so on. The plural of matrix is matrices. Example: A is equal to matrix having element 1, 3, 4, 7, 2, and 0. Rows and columns of a matrix. In a matrix, the elements presented in horizontal way are called rows, and the elements presented in vertical way are called columns. Here matrix B is equal to matrix having element 1, 2, 0, 3, 5, and 4. Is a matrix having 2 rows and 3 columns. Order of matrix. To determine the order of matrix is equal to number of rows into number of columns. The number of rows say m and the number of columns say n. It is written as shown and read as m by n. C is equal to matrix having element 1, 3, 4, 7, 2, and 0 is a matrix of order 2 by 3. Equality of matrices. Two matrices are said to be equal if they have the same order and their corresponding elements are equal. Example: here two matrices are equal in first matrix having element A, B, C, and D. In second matrix element 1, 3, -4, and 2. These two matrices are equal, so their corresponding elements are also equal. Then A is equal to 1, B is equal to 3, C is equal to -4, and D is equal to 2. In exercise, here fourth question is to find the value of A, B, C, and D which satisfy the matrix equation. Here first matrix having element A plus C and A plus 2B, C minus 1, and 4D minus 6. And second matrix having element 0, -7, 3, and 2D. These two matrices are equal, so their corresponding elements are also equal. In first matrix here first element is A plus C. In second matrix here first element is 0, so A plus C is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. In first matrix here second element is A plus 2B, and in second matrix here second element is -7, so this is equation number 2. In first matrix here third element is 7C minus 1, and in second matrix here third element is 3, so this is equation number 3. In first matrix here fourth element is 4D minus 6. In second matrix here fourth element is 2D. This is equation number 4. Now we solve this equation to find the value of A, B, C, and D. So from equation 4th, here 4D minus 6 is equal to 2D. Now we solve this equation for D, and D is equal to 3. From equation 3rd, here C minus 1 is equal to 3 and C is equal to 4. From equation 1st, A plus C is equal to 0. Here put the value of C as you find in previous equation. So A plus 4 is equal to 0 and A is equal to -4. From equation 2nd, A plus 2B is equal to -7. Here put the value of A as you find in previous equation. So -4 plus 2B is equal to -7 and B is equal to -3 by 2.